Hey everybody, today I'm showing you the Electoy Buzzball. Now this is an electromagnetic bowling game from 1946. This is before the moon landing. It's right after the World War, so there wasn't any digital game or anything like that. There wasn't an internet or a computer for people to play. This uses an electromagnetic design to let you play this bowling game on your desk. It actually supports 2 players. It has 2 controllers. Let's see what's inside. There you go. Has multiple games. Trying to explain what each of these are. There's a magnetic field in the center, and then you can operate the game with the buttons, the controller. You get these. Now it's a little bit old and dirty, which is expected. I don't know how often they use this. It does show some signs of use. You get this that you have to put there, right here. You have one on this side. Once you turn it on, this area is going to become magnetized, so you can control this and hit those pins. You get these in 2 colors. You can put them in any way that you want. Let's say I can put them here and here. Doesn't matter. Now I can control the game with this. There are 3 ways to control this. So if you want it to actually speed up, and when it's going toward the center, you hold the button and you release it as soon as it passes. Now if you want to slow it down, as it passes, you hold the button and then release it when it's over the center. Like this speeds it up. Like that, it just slows it down. So it takes some time getting used to. And if you want to change direction, you just have to quickly push the button when it's actually over the center. And that's how you play the game. Now there are different games. There are 8 games, I think, that you can play, and each have different rules. You can set this up and try to hit these, but the idea is very simple. You just have to learn how to control these, and there are 2 of them actually. There's also this. In case you're wondering what this is for, it seems to be for this, at least based on my experience. It's just a timer. That's where I put it anyway. So this is the complete set. Pretty much everything that the original game had, this has as well. This was the Electoy Buzzball. It's from 1946, if I'm not mistaken. Electromagnetic, very easy to use, 2 controllers. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/gadgetify. I also share short videos on a daily basis, so you may want to check them out. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. That will help the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.